Having some rice with Canine Mama. Cooking in her passenger seat kitchen. That's warmed up enough for some cheese. Some cheese on top. The sun is out for this evening. Oh, this is good. Delightful. A nice warm meal. Completely looking forward to that. Yeah, as you can see, that's the sunset happening here in South Ottawa. I had a picture up on Instagram of my Mount Walmart. That was funny. But yeah, she's pretty big. Maybe I can get a shot of her over there. Actually it's the one in behind, but one in behind that building there is much bigger, with the little points on it and that, so it's kind of cute. Ooh, I can smell this. Oh. Yeah. Off she goes. Release the gas. And see the windows open, allowing for ventilation. The driver's windows open a bit for ventilation. I'll let this cool down. Oh. Cooking in the front seat of the Jeep with Canine Mama. I put all Riley's bowl up there and this other container that I had sitting there. My laptop and my hat. And my hand over the camera. So, hair in the mouth. Hey Riley, does that smell good? Smells like some food, Mom. So I keep my food in my little fridge here. Let's see, it's pretty hard to see. Well, we've got some jam. I got some more rice and some mayonnaise and some mustard and some peanut butter. And that keeps the essential things cold. And then if I want to freeze it, put it out by the tailgate underneath the bed area, and it freezes up really good there. So now I'm going to enjoy this meal tonight in the sunset. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. It can be done single, whatever, solo female with her dog in a Jeep having some food cooked on her little gas stove in the front seat. Now, I just want to show you a little bit. See that metal rack underneath there? So it holds it up at the right angle at the back here. And goes across to almost a ½ inch at the front half. So it doesn't heat up underneath. I just put this doggy pad paper down. In case I drip anything or drop any food, it just sits on the pad. But this is elevated enough that nothing underneath gets hot. Window open. You know what this was? A $9 dish rack for letting your dishes drip on. Expandable. This was way too cool of a find. Anyhow, let's enjoy this great meal tonight. Have a good life, everyone. Safe travels, safe wishes. Bless y'all. Stay strong, stay true to your gut. Speak the truth. Peace, love, and happiness. Ciao from Grandma, the canine mama.